It's really important to me that my research has practical outcomes, so it's not just research for its own sake, it's also that it can help conserve natural ecosystems and also conserve the values that people have in healthy aquatic systems. Clean drinking water, places to go fishing, places for tourism and recreation. I'm Mark Kennard, I'm a Principal Research Fellow at the Australian Rivers Institute at Griffith University. I'm currently leading a number of large collaborative research projects focused on freshwater ecology and conservation. I also supervise a number of postgraduate students and also contribute to teaching at the university. Some of the things that I find fascinating about working in rivers and wetlands in Australia is really discovering new knowledge about how those ecosystems function and discovering what lives in those ecosystems. So an example of that would be that we do a lot of work going to these amazing places in northern Australia for fieldwork, so places like Kakadu National Park, the amazing wetlands there, also the beautiful rainforest streams in the wet tropics region, just fabulous places to work. Collecting interesting animals and plants is another really rewarding part of my job. So that's things like doing some field work to collect threatened species like Australian lungfish and Mary River turtle. These are amazing components of our natural heritage. Also another amazing thing we did was discover a new species of freshwater fish, the Bloomfield River cod. That was a really exciting discovery for us as well, and we described that species. Professionally, ARI is part of a global network of researchers and institutions, and that has helped me collaborate with a lot of international and national researchers, so that's really helped my career. And it's also introduced me to a great bunch of friends, so a lot of these people I work with I now consider my friends as well, and it's given me opportunities to go overseas on conference travel and also do field work overseas in North and South America and South Africa. So, professionally, they're really good benefits for my research career, but they're also part of my life, having a great fun time in amazing places around the world. One of the projects I'm involved in, which I'm really enjoying, is working with Indigenous communities. And so through that work, we're getting a much better understanding of the social and cultural values that they have for rivers and also the biodiversity within those rivers. If we can get a better understanding of their values of rivers, we can incorporate that into management as well. So we're really working with Indigenous communities and government agencies to reflect the values that people have for rivers. Another really important outcome of my role at ARI is to train postgraduate students and also do teaching to undergraduate and master's level. So really the idea there is to train the next generation of scientists, and many of those people will end up working in industry and also working in various community sectors and non-government organisations. So what we want to do is equip them to do the best possible job in things like managing our aquatic systems.